Time, power, distance, uncertainty, avoidance. Another dimension which can be seen when studying the difference in culture is the concept of time, which varies considerably across cultures. It can be seen according to how societies are divided into monochronic cultures and in polychronic cultures. In monochronic cultures, time is seen as linear, with one event following another in a sequence. However, in members of polychronic cultures, they are able to manage different activities at the same time. That is, that they can carry out a multicultural task, doing various things at the same time. In polychronic cultures, people might spend the meeting doing various things together. For example, making phone calls, taking notes, talking to their colleagues, checking out their mobiles, and so on. Whereas in monochronic cultures, people are more comfortable with in dealing with matters in a sequence, with one task being finished before the other is started. Power distance is also an important dimension to study when we are studying the cultural differences of interaction. The power distance refers to the distance or equality between individuals as in a hierarchy. If there is a hierarchy in a given workplace, in a low power distance culture, people find it easy to approach their leaders to discuss issues and to criticize. For example, the American society or culture is supposed to be a low power distance culture, which is basically prioritizes the reducing of barriers and reducing of hierarchies in the workplace. So in low power distance, we find that managers are more likely to consult their subordinates regarding various issues which come up, changes of policy or procedures. Whereas in high power distance, it is seen that the opposite things happen, and usually changes to procedures and policies are made without a consultation with the subordinates. And the subordinates are likely to be told what to do, which they accept, and little discussion is carried out between the seniors and the juniors. Another dimension to this is uncertainty avoidance, meaning that various cultures, how they handle uncertainty and ambiguity in their relationships with others. So this dimension reflects how different cultures approach ambiguity and uncertainty. If no tolerance of uncertainty, people find value job security, clear rules and regulations.